Hey everyone, welcome back to Roots to Remedy. Today I'm sharing some of the best natural remedies for healing burns using powerful herbs and foods. Burns can be painful and pesky, but nature has got your back. Let's dive right in. First up, aloe vera. This succulent is renowned for its soothing properties. Just apply fresh aloe gel directly to the burn for instant relief and faster healing. If you prefer, you can also make an aloe tincture by soaking aloe leaves in alcohol for a few weeks. Strain and apply as needed. Next, burdock. This herb is fantastic for reducing inflammation. You can make a decoction by simmering burdock roots in water for about 20 minutes. Once cooled, use it as a compress on the affected area. Blackberry leaves are another must-have. They're great for reducing infection risk. Brew a strong infusion by steeping the leaves in boiling water for 10 minutes. Let it cool and use it as a gentle wash for your burn. Calendula, also known as marigold, is a superstar for skin health. Create a healing ointment by infusing calendula flowers in olive oil for several weeks, strain and mix with beeswax. Apply this soothing balm to your burn. Golden seal is known for its antimicrobial properties. Make a tincture by soaking golden seal root in alcohol. Dab it on minor burns to keep infections at bay. Plantain is another herb you should know about. Crush fresh plantain leaves and apply the poultice directly to your burn. It's a natural pain reliever and speeds up recovery. Poplar buds can be turned into an infused oil. Fill a jar with poplar buds and cover them with olive oil. Let it sit for a few weeks, then strain. This oil can be applied to burns for relief and healing. St. John's wort is excellent for nerve pain. Infuse the flowers in olive oil and apply to the burn area. It's especially helpful for deep burns that cause lingering pain. Sumac, often overlooked, can be used as an infusion. Steep sumac berries in boiling water, cool and apply as a wash to help with healing. Witch hazel has astringent properties. Use witch hazel extract on burns to reduce swelling and prevent infection. For pain relief, consider white oak bark, arnica and boswellia. White oak bark can be used in a decoction, while arnica and boswellia are great in tinctures or creams. White willow contains natural aspirin. Make a tea from the bark and sip it to relieve pain from burns. Now let's talk about some foods that can aid in healing. Citrus fruits like grapefruit, lemons and limes are packed with vitamin C, which is crucial for skin repair. Guava, kale, peppers and spinach also provide a vitamin boost. Parsley, tomatoes, turnip greens and watercress are excellent additions to your diet for faster healing. Remember, always handle burns with care. Seek medical attention for severe burns and consult a healthcare professional before trying new remedies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Roots to Remedy for more natural healing tips. And drop a comment below if you've tried any of these remedies. Stay healthy and take care. Please subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video.